The Mayesh experience in Quito has been more than just making installations, compotes, bouquets. It's been really learning the story of where all of our flowers come from.
This has changed my life, it's going to change my business, and it's the greatest investment I could have made for myself and my business.
Just above and beyond anything that I ever expected, and so happy that I came.
Learning from Sue and working with Holly, creating wearables, and designing, creating with other like minds was just incredible. Mayesh groupie for life.
For me to be able to see where the roses grow has it's been a lifelong dream of mine, but the real perk and the benefit was getting to know Mayesh and the family that is Mayesh. I am just absolutely so grateful for the time I had with them and the time I had in the roses.
To see where the flowers are grown and to meet the passionate breeders and owners of the flower farms, that was beyond inspiring.
I'm leaving here so sold on this company and cannot wait to start a wonderful relationship going forward.
Ha sido una experiencia maravillosa venir, ha sido lindísimo conocer este lugar tan maravilloso, la gente, la experiencia, fantástico.
The feeling that you get when you walk away is just empowerment and knowledge that you didn't have to start with.
We were in every way treated like we were queens of the industry.
I truly believe that I will never leave a rose on the cutting room floor again after seeing its journey from planting to processing to packing to shipping right to my hands, and I'm really grateful for the experience to see all of that firsthand.
There was so much love, creativity, and met some amazing people, and it's something that I will cherish for the rest of my life.